Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this episode we will be learning how to download Final Fantasy VII on your Android device. To download the Final Fantasy VII on Android, first of all, launch open your Google Play Store on your Android device, whether you are using a smartphone or your tablets, and then go to the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Go to the search box at the very top inside the search icon and type in Final Fantasy VII. From the search results, look for the Final Fantasy VII game from Square Enix. Now, tap on the download or the install button. If you don't see the installation option, then you can go ahead and tap on the Get with Play Pass option and then click on Get Started. You need to play the game with Google Play Pass. Go ahead and tap on the Get Started button and then complete your payment. Add a credit or debit card and then after making your purchase, the download and installation will begin. After it completes, you can easily play Final Fantasy VII using your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.